Hello, I'm Atyasi Mishra, and today I'm going to talk about self-love. What is self-love and what kind of importance it has in our life, and why should we love ourselves first? That is very, very important to know for all of us, that why we have to love ourselves. Now, if I say what is love, if I get a freedom, is that called love? I can say that, like I have a lot of freedom. I can do, मेरा मन जो बोलता है मैं वो कर सकती हूँ. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीडम है, तो मैं जो मर्जी वो कर सकती हूँ. क्या वो लव है? नहीं है. लव वो होता है जिसमें मुझे पता हो कि मेरा गाइडलाइन क्या है. एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ को लीड करना सेल्फ लव होता है. If I love myself, I will not do whatever, आज़ादी का जश्न मनाने के लिए मैं कहीं पे जाके कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, and that will have a long run or short run side effect to my life or others' life. That is not called love. See, if I love myself, I will set my goals, I will set my discipline line, and I will lead my life into a right channel. I will be very focused that what can it give to the other people and to myself if I go little wrong in my actions. So if I am having the command of my life in my hand, that means I am very lucky and I have the chance to prove that I love myself and I will lead into in a right direction so that I can inspire a lot of people. Being an inspiration of a lot of people is a big thing. That means a lot of people are in love with you. And that's not easy, trust me. To influence others, you need to have a strong capability and attraction inside you. And that attraction comes only with your self-confidence, with your self-love, and with your happiness inside within. So if you're happy within, if you love yourself, then that is very important. Because if you love yourself, then you can do miracles. You can even teach anyone how to lead a healthy life, how they can love themselves, and you can spread a very positive aura, very positive vibe around you, surrounded around you. So खुद से प्यार करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज हम अगर खुद से प्यार नहीं करते तो हम उस चीज़ को हम अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रखते. हम खुद से प्यार नहीं करते. अगर जैसे एक मम्मी होती है जो अपने बच्चे को, गोरा हो, काला हो, मोटा हो, कैसे भी हो, माँ को अपना बच्चा बहुत प्यारा लगता है. Why? Because they love them. They don't compare or they don't see this is not good, this part is not bad. They just love wholeheartedly. They do everything for their kids, right? So the same way, if we love ourselves, then we will do everything what is right for us. And trust me, we are the best person to guide ourselves, to help us for do whatever right and wrong. So I love myself and I love the way I am. I'm giving you an example. Like I love myself. I love the way I am. I love the way I carry myself, the way I meet with people, and even every day I'm learning from others also. The same. Meanwhile, so never feel that if I love myself, so I will do whatever I want. मेरे मन का मैं करूँगी तो मैं अपने आप से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. नहीं, अपने मन का करना अपने आप से प्यार नहीं होता. अपने मन को बस में करके जो सही है वो करना, वो प्यार होता है. और जिस प्यार के वजह से आप बहुत सारे लोगों की ज़िंदगी में डिफरेंसेस पैदा कर सकते हो, बहुत सारे लोगों की ज़िंदगी को प्रभावित कर सकते हो, बहुत सारे लोगों की ज़िंदगी को जीने के पटरी पे ला सकते हो, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉज दे सकते हो. वो होता है अपने आप से प्यार. सो कोई अगर आपको बोलता है, oh, I don't like the way you are carrying yourself, I don't like your hair, I don't like your getting up, bloating up, you're बहुत मोटी हो रही हो, तुम्हारा तो गाल और डबल चिन भी निकल के आ रहा है. ऐसे अगर कोई आपको बोलता है, you should not feel bad, because you should know why you are like that and whether you like it or not. If I like my whatever personality I'm carrying right now, so I'm very confident about it and I know what to answer, because I wanted myself to be like this. I live for myself, not for others. Others comes next to me. First is me. I need to be fit, and I'm fit. I'm not having any kind of serious disease, and I know I don't have any kind of psychological disorder, no bad habits, so then I'm happy. What is the problem? So everybody has that separate kind of reasons to say that this is not right, that is not right. You know, people can say you are very beautiful, but thoda patli ho jati to achhi lagti. So, but let me tell you, if I love myself the way I am, you should not bother about it, because self-love can change the entire surrounding. And if I love myself, I can make you happy, I can make anyone happy, I can create a lot of beautiful things around me, because obviously I cannot reach out the whole globe, but it will be a very nice experience if I know I love myself, and to make myself, you know, happy in a right way, I can do anything. Then I can teach the same thing to a lot of other people without any effort, because I can influence a lot of people. They would like to become like me, and they will follow the same thing. And life is only one. You should love yourself first. We say that, you know, that person doesn't love me, that's why I'm sad. But why? Your happiness is dependent on others. Your happiness is inside you. Somebody can give food to yourself, but you have to chew and digest. They cannot chew and digest for you. So anyone can become a reason for your happiness, but happiness is already inside you. That reason why you want to give to somebody else, you create inside you, so that people follow you, not you following others for your happiness. Your happiness is always inside us. So all the energy which can make you happy, make you famous, make you successful, make you reach to your goal, everything is inside you. So when you think positive, you spread the positiveness towards the universe, and the same positive aura comes to you. So if I think I can do this, then I will do this. And if somebody else has done this more better than me, that means they are more focused than me, and they have won it. It happens to them than me, then I will retry it. Because I have a self-love, then I know that you need to respect others also. You should not get jealous. If somebody else gets something which you are desiring and you have failed to get it, that means you are, you know, internally not prepared properly. You were not very focused, and that other person has given her 100%, 200% to reach that person. That's it. So you will have that maturity to understand then that why somebody is more better than you. So being better is all in your hand. Being worst is also in your hand. So start loving yourself. If you want to create history, you want to create miracles around you. Thank you.